Duncan Cottrell, the entry enforcer. I'm going to tell you how to reinforce windows to keep bad guys from breaking in. The typical break-in methods are to shatter the glass, to reach the sash lock and unlock it to get the sash out, or to pry it up with a crowbar. To prevent this from happening, we drill a hole where the sashes overlap in the middle and insert a steel window pin that locks the sashes together. The pin has a notch in it that the extractor tool grabs and pulls the pin out so that you can raise the sash. Alternatively, a dowel can be inserted to hold the sash down. The other way is the stainless steel security screen. It keeps out the bugs and the burglars. Can't be broken, can't be cut. But in an emergency, it can be released to escape.